Hey there everybody, today we're going to show you how to make hexagon shelves. And fortunately for me, I got some help in the garage today, right Elliot? Yeah. Alright, so these shelves right here, as you see, are 12 inches tall, 13 3/4 inches wide, and 4 inches deep. Now I got the wood from Lowe's, I got a 12-foot piece, and I was able to get 3 shelves out of that one 12-foot piece. And the tools that you're going to need for this project include a chop saw, miter saw, a nail gun, masking tape. I use 1 1/4 nails. We got some wood glue here, and then depending on how you want to finish it, we've got some wood putty, wood filler, and a palm sander. And then of course the stain color of your choice. And then you're all set. So I'm going to run through these steps right here. Elliot will be guiding me, keeping me on task here. And then hopefully you guys make these shelves yourself. Thanks for watching. Say thanks for watching. Yeah. Alright, here we go. Let's get to work. Alright, first you're going to start out by adjusting your saw to 30 degrees and then cut off the end of your first piece there. And what you're going to do is measure 7 inches, make your mark on the wood, and then what you'll do is line up your saw on that mark that you made at 7 inches, and then grab yourself a piece of scrap wood and clamp that down. That way when you slide each piece in there, every piece is going to be the same length on all 6 sides. And then just to make sure that you flip over the piece of wood in between each cut, that way the angles are facing the right direction. I'm just going to cut all these pieces. And then I actually got 2 12-foot pieces of wood here, which end up making 7 shelves. So each 12-foot piece makes about 3.5 shelves. And this is where the masking tape will come into play. I'll take that masking tape, I'll roll it out, and then put the back side of each of the 6 pieces on the tape. And then once that's all good to go, I will put glue in each of the joints. Right, put a bunch of glue. Make sure that holds up nice and tight. And then once that glue is all in there, I'll then fold it up, as you'll see here. Tape the two ends together, and then put it down flat, make sure all the joints look okay, and then that's where I'll take my nail gun. And I'm a little bit excessive with the nails sometimes. I'll probably put too many in, but I like to put in 2 on each side and flip it over and put 2 on the other side as well. That way it's got plenty of nails and plenty of support when you want to hang it on your wall. Alright, once you got all the nails in there, take the tape off and let it dry. Alright, so now that we have the shelves put together, this next step is kind of whatever your personal preference is, whatever look it is that you're going for. You could hang these shelves up as is, or if you want, you could fill the nail holes with some wood filler, sand those down, and then pick a stain color of your choice. So that's what I'm going to do. So here we go. Alrighty, there you have it. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Hope you make some hexagon shelves yourself. And please subscribe to our channel so we can keep making more and more videos like this. Say hi, Elliot. Thank you guys. Hope you enjoyed.